Hey, before you watch this video, I'd like to give a fair warning that my microphone was being weird. So without further ado, enjoy. Hello everybody. Welcome to the first video of this channel, and today we're going to be playing Teardown. And Teardown is a game where you tear down stuff, as you can see from this menu stuff. And I played this game for like so long, like 150 hours probably. At least that's what Steam says. But like, that's all. Most of that's on Sandbox. And and I beat like campaign, but that was like 3 years ago, and I was using cheats because I was a little cheatster. So today we're gonna be replaying. Well, not fully replaying, but if it gets good, good analytics, then I will make a series on this. Tear down. No, come back, please. Oh. This game uses like vocals, which are like it makes it look kind of like the textures and stuff kind of look pixelated. Like it looks like a 3D Mario game, like a 3D original Super Mario Bros. But it's for a good reason, because look at this. Look at this. Do you see that? Beautiful, beautiful destruction. It is, God, I love it. It's just, ooh. Time to hit something with the car. Ah, hell yeah, baby. Wait, what are we supposed to do? Oh yeah, go inside. No, I have to stay on track. I'm not using no door. Oh my god, why do we have a door on a door? This is a door. My god. I love this game already. Ooh. Okay, so we have extinguisher, spray cannon, sledge. Place the fuse to turn on power. Yo, no more toilet. Stupid tree. Let's go, guys. We did the most easy task ever known to mankind. About that. Okay, we got a message from Tracy about the gas bill. Tracy, gas bill. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure what we can do to make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we're pretty much just accept anything. Be creative. Tracy, just getting in the kind of try to for the money you afford. Good evening. He wants to expand the parking lot. No, but he does want to expand his mall, and his name's Gordon Wu. And we have to destroy this old building. Yay! I pray that this is legal. Oh crap. Let's get to breaking, I guess. Yes. See, this is what makes this game so great. What do you mean by propane tanks explode when thrown? I forgot about this feature. Oh well. Are we ready? Ow, my face. Okay, let's just break this. Just... You know, if like someone was like looking from the mall, I would probably look so ridiculous. Wait, are we able to go over here? Oh, no, we aren't. Ooh, we got more propane tanks over there. Okay, get out of my way, you stupid fence. See, that's the great thing about being able to destroy stuff in this game. If it's in your way, then you're able to atomize it. Boom. Okay. So I probably should have, like, destroyed it more. But, like, it's okay. Anyways. I'm gonna make short little tidbit videos. So we're only gonna do 2 missions per day. Wait, I think I have one of my friends. 1 second. 1 second. I'm sorry. But I have to tell my friends something. Wait. So I was just telling my friend not to message me because I'm recording. Yeah, I'm really sorry for no commentary, but like, really, I just... God, it's so... Yo, I should pull out an auto clicker. Yo, wait. Wait 1 second, I'm getting sidetracked, but I need to install an auto clicker. You can't probably see this because I use the Steam recording software, but we're gonna have this be clicking 1 millisecond per one click per 1 millisecond. So this is gonna be good. There's F6. Oh yes. 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 Beautiful. Good. Amazing. This chimney will fall! And there'll be nothing else but ash. From the wrath of my auto clicker. Ow! Ow, that almost just fell on me. Don't know, I just said ow. Anyways, I can get rid of this auto clicker. Well, let's get to our escape vehicle. How long did that take? Okay, we did that in 5 minutes. Well, let's do the other mission in like 7-ish minutes. God! Okay, sorry for yelling, but you know, it was... Let's do the next mission in like 7-ish minutes. Investigation. Oh no! They caught us. They got us. We have to give a favor to someone. I'm not reading the rest of that. Steal computers. Tax evasion. Let's go. Oh, car. Oh, there's actually a computer in here. Something that we need to steal. Small day. Money. Where's our next target? Okay, we can just drive right on through here. Oh, never mind. Give me more money. Ooh, more money. Is there any more value? Ooh, money. Anything behind the shelf? Nope. This is just a really thin piece of drywall. Oh, was that actually worth something? Oh, well, it's not worth anything now. Okay, where's the last computer? We have one as same level as player. So it's in this building over here. Before we steal the last computer, let's make fun of this game. Let's not like, I don't mean like we like this game's stupid, but like let's have a little bit of destruction fun with our little car here. Yep. God, this game is you know, let's go find like a propane tank to throw at that, because if I were to hit that with a sledgehammer, I would let's just say there would be a funeral progression the next day. I would die. That's what I'm saying. Thank you for breaking open so easily, door. Ooh, valuable. Titanium screwdriver. Bits. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's just leave that to burn. Because burning is fun. Anyways, I want to go. We're gonna go see these things go boom. From a safe distance. The safety always comes first. Get over there. Oh, also, you can't really break it like valuable. Okay, oh! I told you I would die. Okay. Okay. Dang it. Can you like save in this game? Oh, yeah. Let's quick saves. So. Okay. Let's try this again. We can back up into here, pick up the target. Let's go get our valuables. Why am I up here? You know, this game. No, where'd the money go? No. Did I break it? Damn it. You know. At least you still have this money. It's back here, right? No, what? Oh, wait. Oh, did it, like, make me automatically pick this up? Like, do I still have it? You know what? It doesn't matter. 50 Shades of Capitalism. Oh my god. This game does have this game has a sense of humor. Oh. Do you get it? Because, like, capitalism, America, and not just America, but like lots of places. Why am I in here? There's no computers in here. Or is there? No, there's not. One over here. let's get this and let's is it up here? Oh. Let's get this computer and let this be over with. Because you guys are probably bored, and half of you guys have probably clicked off this video. And I'm just talking to no one. But to the people that have made it this far in the video, I would just like to say, why? Like, why are you watching me? Like, go watch a better content creator. You're wasting your time. Like, seriously. Why are you still here? We only did that in 2 minutes? Okay, well, I guess this is a 7-minute video then. Or 11 minutes. I don't really care. Try one. Anyways, I hope everyone has it. I might do a series on this if you know it gets a lot of views and it does well on analytics. And so I hope everyone has a good day and goodbye.